Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com, and I'm at 5 Star Tuning in Florence, South Carolina. As you can see, we've got a S650 Mustang here on the dyno. It's of the GT variety. Of course, you got your twin throttle bodies and all that, but what's big news about that now is this little company right here, HP Tuners, has come out with custom tuning capability for these cars now. So 5 Star ran out and got theirs, stuck it on the dyno, and the results are pretty solid. So this is a bone stock, is it 25 Mustang GT, 93 octane. Well, let's start out here. Baseline numbers, she made 433 and 369 torque. Do a little bit of tuning. 93 octane tune, it made 463.9, so you're looking at almost a 31 horsepower gain and 401 torque, which is 30 pound-feet of torque. So solid gains, 30 horsepower, 30 pound-feet of torque from just a tune on 93 octane. That's fantastic numbers. And as you can see, the power is everywhere. A lot more torque on 93 versus the baseline right here in that meaty part of the mid-range. And of course, carrying the power out just like you'd expect it to, a little bit more here at the top. So that top end, there's a big difference right there. Next up though, they also did an E85 tune, and that picked up basically another 20 horsepower over the 93. So you're looking at basically 484 horsepower and 420 torque. So you're picking up another 20 horsepower, another 20 pound-feet of torque by going from 93 to E85. So that's solid, I believe, for just a tune only. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself HP Tuners tune on your S650 Mustang, 5 Star Tuning obviously has figured out this car not only looks great, sounds great, as you can see, it's going to perform great. So that's my 2 cents. If you guys are interested in a tune, give 5 Star Tuning a call. And if you want to talk to us about this, I've got a thread over on SVTPerformance.com where we get in a little nitty-gritty, just a little bit deeper. It was cool watching these guys make their changes just incrementally here and there. They found like 20 horsepower with one change. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, I'll have that link in the description below. And as always, head over to SVTPerformance.com for the latest news, reviews, and information on your favorite Ford-powered vehicles.